Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best thermocouple is probably one of the most essential components for ensuring your furnace operates safely and efficiently. These unsung heroes constantly monitor the internal temperature, providing crucial data to the control system. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of thermocouples, exploring their function, the different types available, and what you should consider when selecting the right one for your furnace. Number 5. Heat Glow Fireplace Thermopile Replacement. This is a replacement thermopile compatible with most units, including water heaters, ovens, fireplaces, and stoves. It's designed to be a versatile solution for your needs. The thermopile is designed for safety and energy efficiency. Available in 24 or 36-inch lengths, it's made with high-temperature resistant materials. Choosing the right size can lead to significant energy savings. This thermopile is built to last, with an internal resistance between 1,500 and 4,500 mOmega, and a normal working temperature of 700-750 degrees Celsius. It's a reliable component for your appliance. This is an aftermarket replacement part. It monitors the fire after startup, ensuring your appliance functions correctly. Installation is quick and easy with its spiral and two-pole plug-in design. It attaches toollessly to propane tanks and cylinders, making it a convenient replacement option. What we like. This thermocouple is compatible with most units, including water heaters and ovens. It's designed for efficiency, potentially saving you money over time. If you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-install replacement, this is a great choice. What people say. My handyman had no issues installing it and I now have my fireplace back. Worked perfectly my Heat Glow unit. I'm about a year out at this time, and it has performed without issue. This was an exact replacement for the thermocouple is my daughter's gas fireplace. We changed it out last year, and it's still going strong. Number 4. Gas Component Store 24 Thermopile Generator. This thermopile generator is designed to withstand temperatures up to 750 degrees Celsius. It's perfect for gas fireplaces, water heaters, and gas fryers. It ensures reliable performance in high-heat environments. The internal resistance ranges from 1,500 mOmega to 4,500 mOmega, depending on the specifications and length. This feature ensures efficient energy conversion. It's a crucial component for optimal functionality. It operates efficiently at a normal working temperature of 700 to 750 degrees Celsius. This allows the device to function effectively. It's built to handle consistent high-temperature conditions. The generator offers both spiral and two-pole plug-in connection types. This provides flexibility during installation. You can choose the best fit for your system. This model is 24 inches long and rated for 750 MV. It's a reliable and durable component. This product is from Gas Component Store. What we like. This thermopile generator offers high-temperature resistance, ensuring reliable performance. The spiral and plug-in design makes it easy to connect. If you have a gas fireplace and need a dependable, easy-to-install thermocouple, consider this one. What people say. I installed this morning and everything seems to work perfectly. I was not sure until I had it in my hand how it compared to the original, but it seems to be functionally identical, same length, fits perfectly in the bracket. This was just what I needed to revive my vent-free fireplace. This little thermocouple is exactly what my set needed. Replaced thermopile in Empire gas logs. Worked like a charm. No problems now. Number 3. Real Fyre PT-1 Pilot Thermocouple for NG Burners. This is the Real Fyre PT-1 Pilot Thermocouple. It's a genuine component made by R.H. Peterson. This part ensures your burner operates safely and efficiently. This thermocouple is specifically designed for natural gas applications. It's the PT-1 NAT model. It's built to the highest standards for reliability. This component is compatible with G45 and G46 burner systems. It's a crucial part for the proper function of your fireplace. Make sure you have the right part for your system. This is a genuine Real Fyre component, ensuring quality and performance. It's designed to provide long-lasting service. Trust this part for your heating needs. This product is made by R.H. Peterson. They are known for their high-quality fireplace components. You can rely on them for your fireplace needs. What we like. This is a genuine real Fyre component, ensuring quality and compatibility. It's specifically designed for G45 and G46 burner applications. If you have a real Fyre burner, this is the perfect replacement. What people say. Worked perfectly. This real Fyre PT-1 pilot thermocouple was a perfect fit for the old unit, an easy and fast, 30M, job to replace. Completely fixed my gas logs, and much cheaper, and easier job, than purchasing a whole new standing pilot valve assembly. Number 2. Propane Heater Thermocouple Sensor 35.4. This thermocouple probe offers high sensitivity, allowing it to quickly detect temperature changes. Its fast response ensures efficient and reliable performance for your heating needs. This replacement part is suitable for various gas appliances. It works with gas fireplaces, fire pits, patio heaters, stoves, grills, and water heaters. Installing this thermocouple is straightforward. It features AM6X 0.75 head size and AM8 end connection. The probe itself measures 6.2 cm by 0.6 cm, with a total length of 35.4 inches. Crafted from high-quality metal, this thermocouple is built to last. The material is rust-resistant, ensuring durability and long-term reliability. If you have any questions about this product, please reach out to us via email. We are committed to providing a satisfactory response within 24 hours. What we like. The thermocouple has a high sensitivity for fast response. It fits various appliances, including gas fireplaces and water heaters. If you need a reliable and easy-to-install thermocouple for multiple applications, this is a great option. What people say. Facile à installer, function parfaitement, detect la flamme immédiatement. The instructions for installing the correct adapter on the valve end are cryptic, at best. I finally determined that an intentional flat spot near the valve end are where you need to slide the adapter on, then it went smoothly. Number 1. Resideo CQ100A 1013U 24-inch thermocouple. This is the Resideo 24-inch thermocouple, designed for gas furnaces, boilers, and water heaters. It's a reliable replacement part to ensure your system runs smoothly. This thermocouple is specifically designed for 30 mV systems. It's a crucial component for the safe and efficient operation of your appliances. The product includes adapter fittings, making installation easier. This feature ensures a secure and proper fit for various pilot burner types. It features a heavy-duty, long-lasting element, built for durability. You can rely on it for consistent performance and extended lifespan. The universal adapter fits various pilot burners. This allows for quick and easy insertion, saving you time and effort during installation. The design allows for positive positioning. This ensures the thermocouple is correctly placed for optimal functionality. What we like. This thermocouple features a universal adapter for easy installation in various pilot burners. It has a heavy-duty element for long-lasting performance. If you need a durable and easy-to-install thermocouple for your gas furnace, boiler, or water heater, this is a good choice. What people say. Worked great as a rush replacement for my American Standard GN40L 2-3-6 water heater. It was a little challenging to remove the original, but once it was removed this one fit and fixed my issue with the pilot light turning off. Fortunately, it fit perfect and now the water heater is working great again. Installed great and quickly. We used this exact same one 5 years ago and it just burnt out yesterday. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.